Hey everyone, my name is Kushal Bed. I'm an educator at Code Wizard. Welcome back to our another video. In this video, we will be talking about multiplayer. This is the continuation video of our second last video on multiplayer games topic. So in case you didn't watch that video, I will recommend very much that to firstly watch that video and then come on this video. Yes, it's the part two. And before watching that video, you will not understand very nicely about what we are going to talk about. So in this video, I will be starting with we will take a Photon project. Now, if you don't know what is a Photon, that's why I was telling to just like watch the previous video. So what I will do is I will basically share my screen. Okay. So, so here you can see I'm just sharing my screen and yeah. So give me a second. Yeah. So here you can see the screen. I'm just like logging in the Unity Assets Store. So uh, the Unity Assets Store is here. You can see I just for going on the Unity Assets Store, you need to assetstore.unity.com. I already made a video on about the Unity Assets Store and it's available on the Code Wizard channel. So if you want to know about Asset Store, what's the use of it, how to import an asset from Asset Store to Unity, you can also check out that video. In this video, I will not explain about the Asset Store because it's already covered, and we will get into our main point directly. So we will search about Photon. And then I will come here on the pricing section. I will choose a free. Now I will only see things which are free in Photon. Okay. Now here you can see there are few multiplayer games, multiplayer demo, and this both all are demo. Okay. Just to understand about the multiplayer property. This is Photon Fun 2, which is generally the main thing. Currently, for the video purpose, I will start with a small project directly, we'll import this project and understand. But if you want to add any multiplayer thing on your project, you need Photon Fun 2, which is a free thing, which you can just tap on it like I'm doing it in this case. Here, just tap on it, click on add to my asset, click on accept, give it some time. Now here click on open in Unity. Make sure Unity project is open where you want to import this asset. In my case, it's open. Now here you can see it's telling fetching packages. So it's currently like in package manager, it's just loading that package. Okay, so give it a few seconds and I will just see the name again, Fusion Cards Multiplayer. Come back here, I will like directly search here, Fusion Cards Multiplayer. Here you can see this is it. I will click on download. Its size is 32.37 MB. Here you can see the downloading has started. Give it some time in downloading. After downloading done, click on import, click on import, click on install update. Now what this do is what happens is if there's something like this kind of assets and stuff, it's set into some different dependency. It has some different properties in the Unity project setting and stuff. So that's why it asks for the permission to just like move it, and you generally do have to move it only. So here you can see it's like compiling C# script. We all know whenever we save script or import script, anything which we can do is it's a compiling of scripts happen. And this is a very general manner of how the systems are generally work in games or the programming work. And this is like happens in all types of programming. Uh, so compiling takes a bit of time because there are lots of assets lots of scripts in that particular pack project which we are importing here, and that's why it is going to take few time. Till that, you can also like the video and also you can comment your queries if you have any, and also you can comment out some suggestions or any video topic which you want the next video in, and I will be very much happy to be hosting that part. And just stay with the channel because more amazing content. So here you are just saying that we need to now click on all and then we'll directly click on import. Now basically everything says importing are static. That was just a loading part. So there's, you can see there's a number of files is 595. Now the importing process depends on the speed of your system. So in case if your system is too fast and stuff, it will take a very decent amount of time. Okay, if your system is slow, then it will take more time because it's all depends on your CPU or sorry GPU and all those things to take the load. And it's telling the script, the load script assembly is going on. Here you can see cart entity dot script is importing currently, compiling. And now it's about to finish. Here you can also see in the right side compiling load is going on here. Bottom right. And when this overs, it means the compiling is done. And then after, because that's a project thing, so it's some setups generally works, which comes here. Last few images, because when importing happens, it imported like this from top to down. So basically what happens if the scripts in the center folder, it will after importing that only it will go to the below files. So that's only happening here. So currently some other files that can be a package, that can be a script, that can be a model, that can be a material also, or other property stuff. That's only it's just tracking it out. Here you can see starter assets is used. Now, if you don't know why I just point out starter asset, uh, you can check out our Unity character control video. We'll understand about this starter assets part. It's where how we imported a character controller from Unity assets, so how that works and all. So basically, you can just check out that video first. That video also after this video, that will also make you smooth things, and you can also implement. If you stuck anywhere, comment down. We will be happy, the whole code wizard team will be happy to revert it with you. Also, if you have any question, if you have any suggestions on the future videos topics, you can also drop that out. Now this is about to complete only because we can see it's currently importing the folder Photon, because it's a multiplayer game and Photon library is of course there. So it's just importing that part, and then the another compiling of C# script is happening here. Reload script assemblies. Here you can see it's done. Now wait for 2-3 seconds. Okay, it's just telling me welcome to Photon Fusion setup. Now these are the Fusion app ID. Open the Photon dashboard, select existing Fusion app ID or create new one. So for this, we need to go on Photon engine. It's telling me to go on the Photon dashboard. Okay, I need to accept it up. Then it's telling me to sign in here. So here you can see I got the dashboard here. If you don't have created account, you can create an account when that sign in button only. There is a create account button. Now I will click on create new app. It's currently Fusion because it's told me about the Fusion. Okay, then I will write here application, which will be test URL and nothing here, and just click on create button. Now when you created that, it will take some time. As you can see, the loading is happening here. Uh, then just wait for few seconds. Here you can see test Fusion is there, and here's the app ID. Tap on it, Control C, copy, and paste it here. And just click here. You can see a tick mark has come. Now Fusion setup, network project setting, Photon app setting. What you have to do, sample and tutorials are there. SDK, but I will go on Fusion setup, Fusion network project settings. It's telling me to go here, and then Fusion app setting is there, which is already done. Now we'll see how it works. We'll go on below and we'll go on starter assets are there currently. But currently our main is our projects things which we are just finding out the scene. Where is our card thing is there? Audio is there. Fusion, Photon libraries, assemblies, editor, resources, plugin. Okay, scripts are there. Here you can see prefabs. Lots of prefabs are there. We all know about prefab. If you didn't, check out our another video. So here you can see launch. So this is the launch scene of the project. So I will go here, make it like, okay, I will just like play it out and see. So I click on play. You can see a very good fusion card sticks and a very simple background is there. It's telling me enter your name. So I will write here Kushal. Server region you can select it. For now I will just select Asia. Confirm. You can see play button. I will just write here join. It is asking me for a session code. Okay, if I click here to host, it's telling me session code is session 501. So when I create the session, the another user who will have this build can click on join session and enter the session code. I can write like the player road, it's race or practice. So I will write it race, confirm. Then I can like see the color, confirm. Okay, so I can just see ready. And here you can see because I did there was no other player, so it's just me playing the game. 3, 2, 1. I'm just no know about the country. Okay, it's WSD only. You can see I can easily, but if there was another team member, I must see it somewhere near me. And that's how it works generally. You with this video understand about how the setup of Fusion works, how the gameplay of Fusion, and you can also install this asset and play with your friend. Like you can maybe build this project, same project with some adding of the scene. I will tell you how to do that also in future videos. Just stay updated. Don't rush to the building and trying. We'll see how it works and all, and then we'll get to the conclusion that is this a good decision to do? What are the learnings and every other things? Okay, so stay updated with our channel and like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.